I'm Franklin Fire Lieutenant Jeff Boggs, and this is Safety Minute. Now, the time change is a good time to change the batteries in the devices you will likely use during emergencies. This includes flashlights and portable cell phone chargers for power outages that might occur during severe weather. Avoid using candles which pose risk of fire, especially when there's a potential for gas leak. This also includes smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms. Today, many alarms are hardwired. However, all alarms, even if they're hardwired, have batteries that are a backup power source for power outages. Replace these batteries once a year, or when the alarm chirps with a low battery warning. There is an exception. If your alarm has a lithium battery that's sealed into the unit, you cannot and should not replace it. Replace your alarm completely according to the manufacturer's instructions, generally when it's 10 years old. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Safety Minute.